Have you ever wondered why some notifications show up but your phone doesn't ring or vibrate? On Android, notifications are not just on or off. Each app has notification categories and each category can be set to alert or silent. That's why notification can still appear without interrupting you. Let me show you how this works. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap App Notification, choose an app, for example YouTube. Tap Notification Categories. Now, tap one category such as recommendation. Make sure allow notification is on. Here you can choose between alert or silent. So what's the difference? When you choose alert, your phone will make sound and vibration and the notification will appear immediately. It's best for important notification. While when you choose silent, your phone will make no sound or vibration, but the notification will still appear in the notification panel without interrupting what you are doing. As the example, you can set recommendation to silent, so suggestion don't distract you, but you can still check them later. Silent notification still show up, they just don't disturb you. Once you understand alert versus silent, you control what interrupts your day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.